chat is, what about the data? Do we scrape it real time? It's a very specific, very technical question. But a quick answer to that is that with data, there are two types of it. First is the contact data. And for contact data, AiSDRs usually rely on third-party providers, right? So at AiSDR, we use Apollo, we use ZoomInfo, we use RocketReach, and we also have our own database. But then what matters is the research data. And for that, we analyze live. LinkedIn, news, internet, hiring intent for news that may make it relevant, may make the outreach more relevant to the person reaching out, and therefore increases our chances for conversion. Now, let's go to the second question. Collin, I would love to hear your thoughts. So Future is a new AI native CRM